We'll guide you through how to resize an icon in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop, and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application. After the browser launches, enter Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure that you're already logged into your Figma account so you can access your files and design projects. For this tutorial, select one of your recent projects from the dashboard. Once the project is opened, the edit page of your project will appear, displaying the canvas and all available layers. Next, locate the icon layer on the canvas that you want to resize and click it to select it. When the icon is selected, a bounding box with corner handles will appear around it. Position your cursor over one of the bounding box corner handles and wait until the cursor changes into a two-headed arrow. Click and drag the handle outward if you want to enlarge the icon, or drag inward if you want to make it smaller. If you want to maintain the icon's original proportions while resizing, hold down the Shift key as you drag. This prevents the width and height from changing independently and helps preserve the correct aspect ratio. Once the icon reaches your desired size, release the mouse button to apply the new dimensions. Alternatively, if you prefer not to hold the Shift key every time you resize an icon, you can use the Scale tool instead. To activate this tool, press the K key on your keyboard. After the Scale tool is enabled, click and drag the icon layer to resize it. Unlike the standard resize method, the Scale tool automatically keeps the dimensions proportional as you adjust the size. This ensures that the icon retains its original shape and appearance without becoming stretched, distorted, or uneven.